All right, folks, our next slam poetry is by Garrett Houston, Without Math.
People like to say, when will we use math in the real world? And math is useless. I find you to be very humorous. Math is happening every second of every day, making our lives better, and we dare to question it. You know your favorite sweater that your grandma knit? Without math, it probably wouldn't even fit. Math is like the janitor working hard to do important things but underappreciated. You see, without math, nothing would ever even be created. Math is like a cute little puppy that no one notices. It does crazy and outrageous things for attention. But if math were in a competition for best school subject, it wouldn't even get honorable mention. Without math, there would be no time, and without that, it would be like Mount Everest you have to climb. Without time, you wouldn't even know when it's your birthday. But wait, you wouldn't have a birthday because there is no such thing as a day. Without math, there would be no computers, video games, or phones, along with cars, buildings, weapons, or loans. Without math, you'd be sitting in an open field doing nothing except for listening to the bees buzzing. Without math, there would be no economy because no one knows how to count. And if nobody knew how to count, then you wouldn't need a bank account. Without math, you wouldn't be able to cook anything, not even a professional Chinese chef named Ming. You wouldn't be able to measure ingredients or work an oven or microwave. Hold on though, without math, we wouldn't even have an oven or microwave. Instead, we would be living in a dark cave. Without math, there would be no physics, economics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, and the list goes on and on. You wouldn't understand the reason behind anything. Your crazy thoughts is what your mind would wander upon. What math tells us is how things work, and as a result, allows us to predict how other things will work, which is how we've made a lot of progress in our last 300 years or so. Without math or any attempt to understand mathematics, any invention will be a creation of pure guesswork and near impossible to reproduce accurately. Economics would take the hardest hit. With no way to measure the value of goods and services, trade would be on the fly, and individuals would often end up with much less or much more than needed, leading to excess for some and poverty for many. Societies would have to gather all their resources into a single place for everyone in the community, where I need fair exchange to occur. So all you people who say math is useless and when we'll use math in the real world, maybe you'd like to think again.